Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Hyundai Palisade Limited with front wheel drive. That is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And those LEDs, if any of those appear to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of my camera. Doesn't appear to do that to the human eye. Okay, you see that it does have alloy wheels. And a tow receiver right there. Okay, see that it does have dual sunroofs. Okay, let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have black pinhole leather and it's quilted on top. These rear seats have both heated and cooled and 115 volt outlets. Retractable window shades. 2 driver presets right there. Here's a shot of the VIN, and I will upload some still photos as I know I go through this quite quickly. Okay, and as you look down here in the bottom right, you see that it has 14,973 miles on this vehicle. It's your paddle shifters, your push to talk, cruise control, other trip computer toggles, push button start. There's your key fob right here, and it does have remote start. Here are your comfort controls, your shifter, and you also have heated or cooled seats in the front, and then you also have a heated steering wheel. And then you can open this up for cup holders, additional charging capabilities, and additional power supplies down there. As you come up here, you can see that you have a large display there, but we can just go ahead and fill it up with the map and navigation. Here's your radio. You see that you have weather over there. Then your Bluetooth. So all very cool. It's also touch screen, and if you want to see the backup camera, you put it in reverse. And there's reverse. Okay. Oh, and then in reverse, you also see that it does have 360-degree cameras. Okay, and so we'll just jump over to radio again. And it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And that about wraps it up for that. You come up top, there are your controls for your sunroofs and your map reading lights. And that's it. Alright, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the driver's front quarter panel, the passenger's front quarter panel, and resulted in a little bit of damage in the rear quarter panel for the passenger. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.